What's good, YouTube? It's your boy, Big Gucci Mellow, and I'm back with another one for y'all, man. No cap, bruh. This is my year with this shit, bruh. I'm about to turn up on YouTube, man. No funny shit, but I'm in Buckhead right now, you know what I'm saying? About to get into a little something. Like, I don't even know what's playing. Like, matter of fact, there's nothing playing. I don't have anything playing. Feel me? Little shorty told me to pull up downtown. She talking about she trying to be outside. So you feel me? Nigga, I'm trying to be outside too. You know what I'm saying? So I had to slide, see what's going on type shit. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, bro, appreciate everybody that been subscribing and watching my videos, you feel me? Like this shit's my passion, bro. Like, bro, creating content for y'all and like for me at the same time, bro, that's my passion, bro. Like, that's another reason why I do YouTube as well, because like I want to look back like 20 years from now, you feel me, when I was shooting all this shit when I was younger, and just be like, yo, this shit was crazy, bro. Like, I know y'all be going through that moment when y'all be like, yo, I wish, like, a certain experience y'all went through, right? You be like, yo, I wish I recorded that, like, or I wish we could just watch it, like, relive the moment, like, shit like that, you feel me? I'm gonna be recording all the time, bro, like, no cap. I'm gonna have so much content, bro. It's gonna be crazy, bro. Wish I had more lighting, bruh. You looking black as this say I'm brown skin, like, no funny shit. Comment down below what you think I am, cause me, I thought I was dark skin, you know what I'm saying? But she tried to say a nigga's brown skin, so I'm like, what the fuck? I'm brown skin? That's news to me, no funny. This shit crazy, bruh. Fucking walking to the bar, like, that's how deep it gets. See the view, coffee cup with me. Yo, my shit echo. That's how dead it is. I'm the only one here. Shit crazy, bro. Really out here dolly. Fit check, gang shit, you know what I'm saying? I should fuck around, scare off in one of them shits, right? I should just peel off in that. Should I? Fuck it, we going to. Yo, I was on so much fucking timing, bro. Like, it's crazy. Like, nah, look, yo, hold on. I look fucking dead skin. I can't fucking find my car, bro. What the fuck? Like, I'm about to retrace my steps, right? But I can't find that shit. Yo, this shit crazy, bruh. I was supposed to take an Uber fucking back to the car, bruh. Now I'm fucking walking. The fuck? I can't find the V, bruh. Can't find the V. I'm fucking... Yo, I pray, bro, that this way I'm going right now is a fucking right. Yo, I even gotta. Oh, it is the right way. I'm in this car walking by. Yo, fuck the Uber. You feel me? We walking to the B-ski. Yo, this jacket I'm wearing right now This shit ain't shit, bruh. Like, niggas kept walking up to me like, yo, I fuck with your jacket, bro. I fuck with your jacket, bro. This shit ain't shit. The fuck? I don't know. I can't fucking remember. No funny shit? I low-key remember this spot right here. I want you to cap. I low-key remember this spot right here. No funny shit. Like, I'ma just keep walking till I find my vehicle, bruh. I had mad bitches on my fucking dick. Bro, life shit. It's a whole vlog for y'all bitch ass niggas, man. Yo, that's how you feel. Nigga pulled up. Huh? Shut the fuck up. Oh, yeah, you're annoying, man. And you put up 2 hours late. I don't fuck with you. Get away from me. Get the fuck away from me. You brought some food for me? You was tearing that shit up in the car.
Bruh, it's really not that good. Lower your expectations now. Like, it looks good as fuck.
Yo, what is that?
Supposed to be downstairs. It's cooking.
What'd you just pull up with, bruh?
Bruh, try this mushroom.
You gonna feed me it?
It's so good.
That shit alright. I don't take the chicken though.
Which
one's the chicken?
That's the
This?
best part. Mushroom is the best.
This shit's alright. I should eat some salt.
You always have some shit and some salt.
So that shit don't be having seasoning. Like, all my shit gotta have seasoning on it, you know what I'm saying? Shit good, ain't it?
I'm thirsty.
There's some juice right there. And now silver cup. Grab it. It's literally fucking inches from you. Oh, I thought that shit was under it. That's crazy.